just loosen up these 4 bolts, and then it makes it so you're able to actually even collapse it.
Oh, slick.
So it's like,
man, it's pretty
tiny,
compact.
absolutely tiny, and then it goes out to the max is right there. So that's actually a good sized car right there. Even somebody who is not quite as tall as me, but I wish I could fit. And also this is fully adjustable. It has 3 different positions. Here.
Huh.
And yeah, that's the gas. If you double click the brake,
Reverse?
push it in reverse mode.
Nice.
Yeah.
Who buys these typically for like what age?
Honestly, I've seen all ages love these kind of things. Because it's something you can do outdoors. It's easy because all you need is a parking lot. You just need a flat place to ride it. We'll go sport mode. Hear that click? All right, I think it's ready to go.
Zoom right back.
Good.
All right, people. We're in a freaking Ninebot Segway Go-Kart. How badass is this thing? Are you kidding me? I don't know. I'm just really digging this thing, people. It's gonna, I gotta go. Okay, there we go. Good view. All right. So yeah, I mean, you can like freaking. It's not even sliding when I go like around a turn. You know what I mean? It's got really good handling. You know, when you go over a bump and you hear like stuff jingling and all that, and it's loose. That's not what this is. This is like tight, like a BMW. You know what I mean? You know, I freaking love this thing. Jesus Christ. Wow. Anyway, this thing has a full battery right now. Let's try this. Oh yeah, that little brake thing. You guys see this brake on the right here? Loving this thing. I might just put it in my truck and leave. Maybe Ben won't even notice.
Put it in reverse. Just lean back.